And despite the name, it's not just for DIYers. Coming from the DIYPRO, Walabot DIY 2 stud finder, and it is way more than just a stud finder. The Walabot has two modes, image and expert. The image mode gives you a pretty graphic and a description of what it's seeing. It can see metal pipe, this is a copper one, it can do steel, and it can also do PVC. Then we got, of course, a stud. Next up, a wire. It does say it can do metal studs, so my aluminum level, it reads it perfectly. So what does expert mode do for you? Let's try to see if we can find those two distinct wires and stud right there. So we're getting two little blobs. You get the Walabot, a case, a set of connecting rings to attach the device to your phone, all wrapped up for a perfect DIYer gift.